ओम मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधी गोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोचितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि पेज नंबर 430. पूर्वपक्षी said, in mukti आविद्यकस्यापि भेदस्य अभावेन आनंदस्य दुःखाभिन्नत्वेन Ananda and Dukkha will become one. Brahmananda and Vishaya Dukkha will be one because Avidyaka Bheda is not there in Mukti. So there is no Purusharthatva, Apurusharthatva Apataha. तत्तद असाधारण स्वभावस्य तत्तद तत्र तत्र अभावे अपि. असाधारण means the dukkha has its own asadharana swabhava. Pratikulam vedaniyam is dukkham. Anukulam vedaniyam is sukham. And that too without upadhi. Anaupadhika pratikula vedaniyam is dukkham. That is asadharana swabhava. Similarly, sukhasya asadharana swabhava anaupadhika anukula vedaniyam sukham. So in the Ajnana Kala, Sukha and Dukkha, they have their own Swabhava and they have Paraspar Virodha, means there is a Bheda between them. But in Moksha Avastha, this Asadharana Swarupa will not be there. Tatra Tatra Abhave Api. And if you say in Moksha Avastha, this Asadharana Bheda Swabhava is not there, but Bheda is there. If someone says like that. How? See, Dukkha has Asadharana Swabhava. Sukha, Vishaya Sukha has Asadharana Swabhava. Ananda, Brahmananda is Sadharana Swabhava. Because now there is no Vishesha in Brahmananda. Brahmananda does not distinguish itself from anything else. So that way there is Abheda, if Siddhanti says like this. Purvapakshi will say, this is another word for Bheda. You are using the word Abheda, but in your mind, there is Bheda only. So Purvapaksha says, Tatra Tatra Abhave Api Tat Tad Bhede. But that Bheda, if it is there, Paribhashiko Yam Abhedo. Bhede Paryavasyet. This your Abheda word is a Paribhashika. Paribhashika means you have coined only for your darshana. Like Nyaya has Guna or Samavaya. It is specific to their darshan. सांख्य, for them guna is different. और सांख्य दर्शन गुण इज सत्व रज तमो. और वैयाकरण गुण इज डिफरेंट. व्हाट इज गुण है और व्याकरण है?
अदें गुण.
करेक्ट. अदें गुण है. Everybody else, I hope they heard.
Yes, Swamiji.
So it is a paribhashik abheda. पूर्वपक्षी will say. असाधारण रूपेण भेदम अभ्युपेत्य सद्रूपेण भेद निषेधेपि इष्टापत्तिरप्रसक्त निषेधश्च इति. असाधारण रूपेण भेदम अभ्युपेत्य. In व्यावहारिक अवस्था असाधारण रूपेण भेद is there, having accepted that. सद्रूपेण अभेद. If पूर्वपक्षी says, सिद्धांति says, we say सद्रूपेण अभेद. सद्रूपेण भेद निषेध. असाधारण रूपेण भेद means sukha as sukham is different from dukkham. Sukha is not different from Brahma. Dukkha is not different from Brahma. Therefore, sukham is not different from Brahma, which is not different from dukkham. So, sadrupena bhed nisheda. Asadharan rupena bheda. Purvapakshi says there is a dosha in this. One is ishtapatti for that previous statement. Ishtapatti aprasakta nishedascha. Ishtapatti is paribhashiko ayam abhedo bhede paryavasye. For that argument, ishtapatti. For asadharana rupena bhedam, sadrupena bheda nishedha is aprasakta nishedha. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Iti chet, up to this Purvapakshi. Why aprasakta nishedha? Because you are saying asadharana rupena there is bheda. So if you have to do nishedha, you have to do asadharana rupena bheda nishedha. You cannot say asadharana rupena there is bheda and sadrupena there is bheda bhava. We never said sadrupena there is bheda and you will do bheda nishedha of sadrupa itself. So it is aprasakta pratishedha. If someone says Chaitra has gone out of the hall, so somebody says Maitra is not in the hall. Chaitra has gone out of the hall. Maitra is not in the hall. Chaitra prasakti itself is not there. Maitra prasakti is not there. Nobody said Maitra was there and now he has gone. So you are doing nishedha of something about which we never discussed. So the drishtanta that I have given is, if we put a board outside, from tomorrow cows should not come to attend classes. The cows were never coming. Why you have to put the board? Iti chetna ekasyameva brahma vyaktau tattad asadharana swabhavanam kalpitatvena asatvat. Ekasyam brahma vyaktau, in brahma vyakti, abhivyakti, तत्तद असाधारण स्वभावानां, that respective असाधारण स्वभाव कल्पितत्वेन, they are kalpita, means sukha is kalpita when I have understood I am Brahma. Dukkha is kalpita in my Brahma Jnana. In that one Brahma, Sukha, Dukkha, whatever that Tattad Asadharana Swabhava is there, they all are Kalpita. Kalpitatvena Asatvat. Sarva Kalpana Nisheda Kale, when all Kalpanas are negated, Kalpita Dharma Vachinna Bheda Bhedadi Prasakte Rayogat. When Sarva Kalpana Nisheda happens, then Kalpita Dharma Vachinna Bheda Bhedadi Prasakti is not there. Means Kalpita Dharmas are not available in Brahma. Why they are not available? Because Kalpita Dharma, Kalpita means Avidyaka. Now Avidya is gone. Therefore, in Brahma, Avidyaka Dharma cannot remain. So, Kalpita means Avidyaka Dharma Vachinna Bheda Bhedadi. Bheda also is not there. Abheda is also not there. Because the concept of Bheda was Kalpita. To eliminate that, another concept was created, Abheda. So now there is no Bheda, there is no Abheda. Bheda Bhedau Sapadigalitau Punya Pape Vishirne Maya Mohau. Anybody knows this? This is Shukashtakam. Nisray Gunye Patricharata Kovidik Konisheda. That is the one. So, Bheda Bhedau Galitau Prasakte he Ayogar. Atayeva na aprasakta pratishedha ishtapattirva. And therefore, there is no aprasakta pratishedha. Purvapaksha's dosha was aprasakta pratishedha. Siddhanti says no, it is not aprasakta pratishedha. In avidya kala, whatever was kalpita, that same kalpita is negated in vidya kala. So its prasakti is there. And Ishtapatti, Purvapakshi had said, this is your paribhashika abheda. Means you are giving a name abheda for bheda. Some kind of bheda is there, but you are calling it abheda. Siddhanti says no. Sadravyam sanguna ityadi pratitya prasaktanam tattad dharmanam brahmani pratishedhat. Sadravyam napunsakaling, sanguna pulling. All these pratiti, ityadi pratitya, by such pratitis, prasaktanam, whose prasakti is there, whose jnanam is taking place, tattad dharmanam brahmani pratishedhat. Those dharmas are negated in Brahma. The dravya, guna, etc. In other words, in samsara kala, there is bheda pratiti, prapancha pratiti. But they are negated. In jnanam, pratiti will continue. See, when we say bheda pratiti, there is one word bheda, there is another word pratiti. Pratiti of bheda will be there. Satyatva buddhi in that bheda pratiti will not be there. To give a modern example, you will know it is like a movie. You don't take movie, seriously. It is going on. There is one more character which is you in that. So then you are not vichlit by that. This is the advantage. Veda pratiti will be there, satyatva will not be there. If you know how to enjoy, you enjoy. If you don't know how to enjoy, you may suffer there also. Because satyatva buddhi is the problem. अतः सर्वधर्म शून्याया एकस्या एव सद्व्यक्तेश् चिदानंद रूपायाः प्रतिपादनात् न पारिभाषिको अयम अभेद इति सिद्धम्. And therefore this abheda is not paribhashika. सर्वधर्म शून्यायाः एकस्याः सद्व्यक्तेः, one sat which is सर्वधर्म शून्य, चिदानंद रूपायाः which is chidananda rupa, प्रतिपादनात्, once that प्रतिपादनम takes place, न पारिभाषिको अयम अभेदः. अयम अभेद न पारिभाषिक. So this abheda, Siddhanti says what we are talking about is not restricted to only our understanding. Because in mokshavastha, there is no avidya, there is no avidyaka dharma. There is nothing different from Brahma. So all bheda, they are eliminated. In other words, how in Rajju, Ajnana Kale Sarpo Bhati, Jnana Kale Rajju Reva. In the same way, Ajnana Kale Samsaro Bhati, Jnana Kale Brahma Eva. When Jnanam takes place, this is Brahma alone. That I understand. So the Nama Rupa part is Mithya. Adhisthana Amsha is Satyam. Therefore, it is not Paribhashika Abheda. Tadevam Sarvam Brahma Bhinnam iti mate Mithya Bhutasya Brahma Bhede api Sanmatram eva Brahma Bhinnam iti mateva. Two matas are given here. Tadevam sarvam brahma bhinnam iti mate, comma. Put comma there. Mithya bhutasya brahma bhede api sanmatram eva brahma bhinnam iti mate va. This second mata. So if you just put comma and if it is not distinct, you better put number 1 and number 2 something. Okay. Otherwise, later when you open this book, you will not even know what you are reading. Na pratyakshadi virodha. So if you say sarvam brahma abhinnam, this is one mata. Nothing is different from Brahma. Or you say mithya vastu is different from Brahma. But sanmatram eva Brahma bhinna. Anything that is different from Brahma is mithya. Anything which is sadrupa is Brahma. Sadrupena sarvam Brahma. Brahma bhinnattvena sarvam mithya. Sadrupena sarvam Brahma. Brahma bhinnattvena sarvam mithya. And therefore there is no pratyakshadi virodha. Napi purvottara virodha. There is no virodha with the earlier teachings. In this way, Advaita Shruter Badodhara is complete. Now we start Ekameva Dvitiyam iti Shruti Artha Vicharaha. Ekameva Dvitiyam. This is Chandogya 6th chapter. Nanu Yadyapi Salila Eko Drashta Advaita. This is the Chandogya. No, this is Brahadaranyaka Vakya. Salila eko drashta advaito bhavatyesha brahmalokah samrat iti enam anushashasa Yajnavalkya and Janaka. Eshasya paramagati reshasya parama sampat eshosya paramo loka eshosya parama ananda etasyeva anandasya anyani bhutani matram upajivanti 4.332 Brahadaranyaka. This Salila Eko Drashta Advaito. Only this much Uddharana is given. Salila means clean, pure. Atma is like pure water. Drashtanta. So, untouched by any impurity. And it is Ekaha. It is Drashta. And it is Advaita. How? Just like in Sushupti. So this is Brahma. That is how Yajnavalkya ji teaches Janak Maharaj. And Bhashyakar in that Bhashya says, Salila vat swachhi bhutaha. Salila iva salila. It is like water. It is not, Atma is not Brahma, or Brahma is not water. Is pure. And Ekaha means Dvitiyasya abhava. There is no Dvitiya. And it is Drashta because Nahi Drashtur Drashter Viparilopo Vidyate. It is Swayam Jyoti. So all this is said by that Salila Eko Drashta Advaita this Vakya. इति अत्र सलिल शब्दस्य तत् सादृश्य स्वच्छत्व मात्र परत्वा. Salila Shabda here is only for the Swachatva. Similarity is only with this. So Gangaji in Gangotri is Swachha Matra Salila Iva. Like that is Atma. Tasya cha sarva mala asamsargitva swarupasya advaite api upapatte. That sarvamala asansargitva swarupa is available in Advitiya Brahma also. Because there is nothing else to pollute it. Therefore it is Swachha. Sadeva somya idam agra asit iti atra cha agrapadasya tadaikshata. Before, so Sadeva Somya idam agra asit. You are familiar with this Vakya. Sadeva Somya idam agra asit. Ekameva dvitiyam. Chandogya 6:1. Somya. Sat eva idam. Idam means
Jagat.
idam jagat. Idam jagat namarupatmakam. Agre. Agre.
Shrishte प्राक.
Srishte prak. Before creation. This jagat before creation was Sat eva. Sad alone. So Jagat was Sat. Sadrupena it was. Before it became manifest. Iti atra, then thereafter, cha agrapadasya tadaikshata namarupe vyakarot. Thereafter, what was there before, now that Sat did ikshanam. And it made the Nama Rupa manifest. So Nama Rupe Vyakarot. Nama Rupe, how will you do Samas Vigraha?
नाम च रूपं च नामरूपे
Nama cha Rupancha iti Nama Rupe. So you have Sat and Idam. Both are in Saman Adhikarana. Saman Vibhakti, Saman Vachan, Saman Linga. In other words, Idam will become Visheshana for Sat. Like Neelam Utpalam. They have Saman Vibhakti, Saman Vachan, Saman Linga. Visheshana, Vishesha Bhava is there. So Shruti here, what it does, Shruti says, Idam is Sat. And then immediately Shruti says, Sat is Ekam Eva Advitiyam. Idam is Sadrupa. Idam is Jagat. Jagat and Sat. So we will say there is Vijatiya Bheda. Ekam Eva Advitiyam. Advitiya Shabda removes Vijatiya Bheda. Now these things you have to remember, because this is going to be the Vichara further. तदैक्षत नाम रूपे व्याकरोत इत्यादेश काले क्षण नाम रूपात्मक प्रपंच प्रापकस्य आविद्यक द्वैत विषयकत्वेन वास्तवत अद्वैत विरोधित्व अभावः. काल ईक्षण in it, because there is Kala, Asit was there agre, and then later Ikshanam, then Vyakaranam. So Kala Bheda is there, Ikshana is there, Kala Ikshana Nama Rupatmaka Prapancha Prapakasya Avidyaka Dvaita Vishayakatvena. All the Dvaita is attributed because of the Avidya, which in the form of Kala, Ikshana, Nama, Rupa, it manifests. And therefore, because the Avidyaka Dvaita is there, Vastava Advaita Virodhitva is not there. Really, there is no Virodha of Advaita Shruti. This is called Advaita Shruti. Ekameva Dvitiya. Earlier, it was general. Now this is specific. Tathapi Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit iti anena. By this pada Idan Shabdoditasya Vishwasya Sadabhedena Sattvam Uktva Punaradvitiya Padena Tan Nishede Vyaghataha. Idam Shabda Udita is Vishwa. Idam refers to Jagat. And it is not different from Sat. Sat Abhedena Sattvam. If it is not different from Sat, it is Sattva. Real. This is all Purvapaksha going. Sad Abhedena Sattvam Uktva. Then you give Advitiya Pada. Ekam Eva Advitiyam. So Advitiya Padena, if you do Jagat Nishedha, because according to Siddhanta we say Advitiya Pada is Vijatiya Nishedha, Vijatiya Bheda. So Advitiya Padena Tan Nishede, there is Vyaghata, Vadato Vyaghata. On one hand you say Jagat is Sat, then you say there is no second. Nahi Sad Asid iti asya asad asit ityartha. Earlier you said Sadeva Somya idam agar asit means sat asit. Idam sat asit. Then when you say ekam eva advitiyam, you are saying asat asit. Sat was not there. Means Jagat is not there anymore. Iti, there is virodha. Iti chet. Siddhanti says, no, there is no virodha. Sad vyatirekena na asit. Iti arthaseva nishedharthatva. Earlier, it is already said, Sad vyatirekena Jagat is not there. Sad is, a Jagat is Sadrupena asti, asit. So therefore, when we say Ekam eva advitiyam, Sad vyatirekena Jagan na asit. Sadrupena Jagad asit. Sad vyatiriktena Jagan na asit. There is no contradiction. विवृतम च एतद् भाष्यकारादिभिः आरंभण अधिकरणे. आरंभण अधिकरण ब्रह्मसूत्र 2.1.14. There is a sutra. तदनन्यत्वम आरंभण शब्दादिभ्यः. Bhashyakar has made this very clear in that Bhashya that Sad vyatirekena na kinchid asit. There is nothing which is separately existing. Nacha sad vyatirekena asatva uktau. So this adhikarana is a very long bhashya and tika on that. When we come to it, you study properly. For now, just keep this much in mind. Arambana Shabda is using Vacharambana Vikaro Namadeya Shruti from Chandogya. And Karya and Karana, between them there is Abheda. Karya is not different from Karana, but Karana is different from Karya. So Karanam is Parabrahma, Karyam is Prapancha. So Karya will have Abhava if it is understood as different from Karana. In other words, that Karya is Vacharambanam. But you should understand, they are not absolutely one. Because if you say Karana is not different from Karya, Karya is not different from Karana. If someone thinks like this, Karya is not different from Karana, is this true statement or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
True.
Yes.
It's true statement. Karya is mithya.
True.
Therefore, Karanam is also mithya, he will say. Karya is not different from Karana. Karya is mithya. Therefore, Karanam will be mithya. So, Karana also will become Vacharambana, Shunyavadapatti. So, Siddhanti says, the very fact that we are using the term Karana and Karya. So, Karya Niyata Purva Vritti is Karana, that which has to exist prior to the effect is called Karana. So, there is some Bheda. Kala Bheda is there, and some dharmas are different. Essence is same. न च सद व्यतिरेकेण असत्व उक्तौ सदात्मना सत्यत्वम आगच्छति. That jagat will not become satya because sad vyatirikta whatever is there is asat. So jagat is sadrupa, therefore it is satyam. It will not happen. आगच्छतु नाम को ही ब्रह्मा भिन्नस्य असत्व साधनाय प्रवृत्तो यो बिभीयात्. Who will be afraid of such statement? Person who is interested in Brahma abhinnasya asatva. The one who wants to prove something which is not different from Brahma and is asat. That person will have a fear of this kind of statements. We are not afraid. Why? Because we don't say if it is Brahma abhinna, then it is asat. If it is Brahma abhinna, it is sat. Because now it is Brahmatvena sat. And Brahma bhinnatvena, it is asat. So person who is pravrittaha, yaha pravrittaha, Brahma abhinnasya asatva sadhanaya. Jagat is Brahma abhinna and is asat also. We say when it is Brahma abhinna, it is sat. That other person, bibhiyat, he should be afraid. He will not know how to understand these things. Now he will use Shadvidalinga Tatparya Nirnaya. So this is more familiar. You can study this more thoroughly. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritav Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.